What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We've got something super awesome planned for you guys today, but before I can show you what it is, I gotta get the rest of the Funhouse. You ready? Let's go. We got mail.
Whoa, what is it? What is it? What is it? Hey guys, and welcome to Daylins Funhouse.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, guys. Did you see what was on our front doorstep this morning? It's a black box that says YouTube.
Yeah! Black button,
I think it could be. It looks like it's here. Feel it. See if that feels. Does that feel like it's a? What could be inside?
Oh yeah. It's a play button.
You think it's a play button?
Yeah, it has to be one.
Find out. Give me this thing. Oh, just kidding. Be careful. Don't play with sharp knives unless your parents are around.
This is so exciting.
Actually, you probably shouldn't still play with sharp knives anyways. All right, man, they really did a good job of tape. There's a lot of tape on this thing. YouTube, use less tape. There's a lot of tape.
I know.
Use less tape, YouTube. All right. All right.
Oh man, holy
Okay, all right.
cow.
I still don't know what's in it.
I know it's a play
All
button.
right. Y'all do a drum roll. Whoa! Open it up, Daylin.
It's a black
Piece of foam.
Check this out.
Oh, we got a letter.
card.
Ooh.
A letter.
Whoa! Holy moly.
You
Let's make
broke
sure
the
they-
play button.
Oh, look at this. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional.
That's
Thanks,
sweet.
Rick. Rick is the one that packaged our award up. Rick, good guy. Appreciate you.
I want
That
a
is
silver.
so pretty.
We got
All right,
like a
let's read the letter first.
Okay.
Daylin, what does the letter say?
You just, yeah, I can't read it.
Check this out. This is a nice letter. Can you
Oh,
see
fancy
it?
pants.
Fancy pants.
Read the whole thing.
You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel.
Yeah.
We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight in the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. It's a lot of reading, guys. Let's read this. I think it pretty much says good job. Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job! Good job!
Let's see if I can read this.
Basically, what we're trying-
trying.
We already did that. We've already done that part.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I read it.
Guys, honestly though, we can't do any of this without you guys. Thank you so much for watching all of our videos. Thank you so much for hitting the thumbs up button,
Thank you.
for subscribing, for telling your friends, for wearing the Funhouse shirts, which none of us are wearing. There's a link in the description. So this is awesome. All right, Daylin, we're gonna let Daylin do the honors. Take the plastic off, show everybody what it looks like.
Alright.
So shiny.
It's so shiny.
It's so
Get this
shiny.
plastic out of there.
This thing is crazy.
It's pretty.
All
And it's
right.
also really heavy.
Very careful with it.
We
Yes.
have to start.
Whoa, it's so pretty and
Oh,
shiny.
you see the refrigerator. Wait, look on the back of it. Look on the back of
Did
it.
they spell your name right?
Look on the back of it. See.
Yes.
Yep.
All right.
Go
Look on the
YouTube.
back of it.
Oh yeah, so we can hang it up. We're gonna hang that up somewhere awesome in the house.
Like with all of our baby
This is
pictures.
Yeah. It would be baby pictures,
YouTube
the guy
play
that
button.
sang the Gundam style song, picture of him, and then the YouTube play button. That's definitely how the order of priority is gonna go. That guy's cool. It's a good song.
That is super cool.
Whoop. All right, so I guess it's time to say that we have a special announcement. Y'all want to tell them about the special announcement? We're starting a family channel. There's going to be a link in the description. So look, we couldn't have done anything on this channel without you guys subscribing. So head on over to the family channel right now. Let's go ahead and get that channel to 100,000 subscribers in like 2 days.
Oh yeah, no
Yeah,
problem.
it should be pretty easy. So go over to that channel right now. Do us a big favor. If you love Daylin's Funhouse, you love all our craziness, you love Daylin screaming in your ears. People love that. People love it. But I don't love it.
I'll stop if you don't like it.
All right. But do us a favor. Go subscribe to the family channel. We're going to be doing Granny in real life, Baldy in real life, Hello Neighbor. challenges.
Anything in real life.
Anything.
Even
Whatever you
Jason's
guys want to
disappearing
see.
in real life.
Oh, wait, he's coming back. There he is. He's back. Okay. Yep, they see it. They see it. They can see it.
Good
Just in
job,
case you guys didn't want to see it, you can see it one more time. Why don't you just hold it up in the background like this? Woo! Yeah, just hold it up like that.
Da, 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 da. Da, da, da,
So
da.
look, we're gonna turn Daylin's Funhouse into strictly a gaming channel. We're still gonna do board games on there. We're still gonna do all the video games that you guys love. Whoa, you almost broke it. We don't get another one until 1 million. Don't break that thing.
Yeah, I know.
So for now though, if you love our content, head on over to the Funhouse Family channel. There's a link in the description. Go ahead and subscribe. And we'll see you guys in the next video.